Hey everybody, John Peterson here, and today I'm out in the Dahlia fields of Oregon, and I'm here to do a little flower photography. You know, normally the Dahlia bloom season happens towards the end of August, and typically this time of year in Oregon, bright, sunny, warm, and it's just not very conducive to good macro or close-up flower photography. So today, I saw in the forecast, you know, we were going to have a little bit of showers and some cloud cover. So I picked today to come down to give me that soft diffuse light that is the best for shooting the flowers. So I'll take a few shots, give you guys a little tour of the flower field, show you a little bit of what I'm doing here to photograph the flowers. So keep watching. So here I am getting ready to set up for a shot, and today I'm using my Fujifilm GFX50S along with the GF120 macro. I find that this makes a great combination for shooting flowers and close-up stuff. So today, because we have a weather system moving through, there's a slight gentle breeze that's going through, and that's moving the flowers. So one of the key points to think about when you're out here shooting the flowers is your shutter speed. I do not want any movement in the flowers. Because I'm shooting so close to the flowers, any little slight movement is going to cause some blur. And so what I'm doing is making sure that my shutter speed is high enough to stop any wind-induced motion. And to do that, I'm bumping up my ISO. I'm shooting right now at about ISO 800, giving me a shutter speed of a little over, I think it's 100 to 120 shutter speed. So that's one way that I can help get some sharpness in these shots. And sometimes the wind blows so much that no matter how high a shutter speed you have, without really bumping your ISO up to crazy levels, you just can't get the flowers to stop moving. So in that case, just stop, just wait, the wind will die down and you can go ahead and take your shot. And to further compound the matter, you know, the sun came out, so that's not a great thing for me. But thankfully, I came prepared. This is something that I keep in my pack at all times. It's a little 10-inch diffuser, so I can block some of the worst sunlight. So, a couple little quick tips. Keep watching. And the thing with shooting dahlias is that you can shoot the front of the flower, the back of the flower, just a few petals, the whole flower. It doesn't really matter. There's so many ways to shoot dahlia flowers that you have almost endless compositions out here in the field. The beautiful thing is they got the sprinklers on behind me, which you can see, which is creating some beautiful water drops on all of the flowers. Don't forget to, you know, if you want to focus stack, because we're working at really short distances, if you want to focus stack, you can do that. You can work at a little bit higher aperture if you want. Right now with my GFX, I'm shooting about f22 to f29, so I'm getting some really good depth of field through this macro lens. Hey everybody, I hope you enjoyed the little tour of the Dahlia farm. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos. All right, bye-bye.